Let's consider a loan origination process in Maestro. At the end of this process, we need to register the loan opportunity in a CRM system, such as, in this example, Salesforce. Within our API workflow, we are not just making a single API call. This in itself is a multi-step process that requires API chaining, with cleaning input data, searching for the account, adding the opportunity and the corresponding notes to the account, and eventually generating the response back. Developers building API workflows have purpose-fit tools available to integrate properly with APIs. The full connector catalog from UiPath, as well as a custom connector builder, HTTP activities for raw requests, JavaScript expressions for data transformation and validation, conditional logic available for simple decision-making, and of course, a response designer for outputting the results in the required format. Let's see how quickly the logic runs in an API workflow. Wow, within seconds! I can see exactly how each step executed, how long it took, and preview the output of my API workflow.